People ask me what can void the Hardie warranty, and the biggest thing is misinstallation. Our big thing is we use Hardie certified crews. There's all kinds of things that the homeowner would never think of about how we install the siding. For instance, the weakest part of Hardie siding is the edge where we cut it. That's where the concrete is exposed. Every edge that we cut, we have to paint and seal to make sure that moisture can never get in and penetrate or permeate into the siding and affect it. If that's not done, if you don't do that, and the siding's installed by people that were installing fences or decks the day before, but now they know how to install Hardie siding, and they put it up and you have a claim 5 years, 7 years or something that down the road, Hardie's gonna send somebody out to look at it. If it wasn't installed properly, Hardie's gonna blame the installers. Most companies subcontract their labor, and those subcontractors may no longer be affiliated with them. And so then they'll say, we didn't do that. You need to talk to A and B siding company or installation company, and A and B may not be in business anymore. They moved to Florida or whatever. And then you're stuck. With us, we only use certified installers so that we know that the product's being installed properly from the start, so that if there is a warranty issue down the road, it's not ever going to go back on you. It's going to go back on Hardie. And I can say we've been installing Hardie for 10, 11 years now. Haven't had a warranty claim yet. It's dynamite.